Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic. How to earn PayPal money for free in 2025. Whether you're looking to save for something special or just want some extra cash, there are plenty of ways to do it without spending a dime. So let's get started. Number 1. Online surveys. First up, we have online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research allow you to complete surveys in exchange for PayPal cash. Tip: sign up for multiple survey sites to maximize your earning potential. Just keep in mind that while survey taking won't make you rich, it's a simple way to earn a little extra. Number 2. Cashback apps. Next on our list are cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta give you cashback on everyday purchases. Just shop through their portals or upload your receipts, and you can earn dollars back, which can be transferred to your PayPal account. Bonus: many of these apps offer sign-up bonuses, so keep an eye out for those to kickstart your earnings. Number 3. Microtasks. Another great option is completing microtasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These tasks can range from data entry to basic online research. While the pay for each task might be small, they can add up over time. Recommendation: dedicate a specific amount of time each week to complete these tasks. It can become a nice side hustle. Number 4. Referral bonuses. Let's talk about referral bonuses. Many apps and websites offer rewards when you refer friends. For example, PayPal itself often has promotions where you can earn money by inviting others to use the service. Suggestion: share your referral links on social media or with friends and family to increase your chances of earning. Number 5. Selling unused items. Lastly, don't forget about selling items you no longer need. Use platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. You can easily sell clothes, electronics, or furniture and receive payment directly to your PayPal account. Tip: make sure to take clear photos and write descriptive listings to attract buyers quickly. And there you have it. Those are some effective ways to earn PayPal money for free in 2025. Remember, while these methods can help you earn a little extra, they require your time and effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to earning some free PayPal cash. See you in the next video.